Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam Store not loading or working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to open the Steam Store and you're seeing a black screen or nothing is loading at all, the first thing you should do is open Steam and click on Steam icon at the top right and then click on Settings from the menu. From the left side, scroll down and select Downloads, then scroll down again until you see Clear Download Cache. Click on the Clear Cache button and confirm the action. This will automatically close Steam and reopen it, which can often resolve store loading issues. Once Steam opens again, go ahead and fully close it by clicking the X button. Next, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. When Steam launches with admin permissions, check the store again to see if the issue is fixed. If the store is still not working, another thing you can try is entering Big Picture mode by clicking the option in the top right corner of the Steam window. For some reason, switching to this mode can refresh the interface and fix store problems. If you want to exit Big Picture mode afterward, simply press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard to return to windowed mode. If none of these solutions work, the final option is to reinstall Steam. Close Steam completely, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Then go to Apps. From there, click on Installed Apps and search for Steam. Then click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. After Steam is fully removed, open an internet browser, go to the official Steam website. Once here, click Install Steam and follow the steps to reinstall it on your computer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue where the Steam Store is not loading or working properly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Steam Store not loading or working. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.